Hello, Ola Panda friends. Welcome back. Today, we are going to make fruit salad with my friends. Let's have the best time. We're gonna need strawberries, grapes, cantaloupes, mango, and an apple. Let's start by washing the strawberries. We cut them into smaller pieces. My friend can use a plastic knife, but you would need a grown-up's help if you wanted to use a real knife. Next, we wash the grapes and all the other fruits. And then we put them into smaller pieces. Now it's time to build our salad. We added mangoes and cantaloupes first. Then apple slices and strawberries. And then the grapes. We mixed it all together. And serve. We put them in small bowls to share. You can share yours with your friends or family. I just love the colors. Which of the fruit is your favorite? Those are delicious. And the fruit salad was so yummy, it made me do my happy dance. Thank you for visiting today, and I hope you come back soon. Bye!